On June 18th, legacy AI plugins like the Gemini Code Assist extension will permanently stop working, but you do not have to start from scratch. You can migrate your fully customized VS Code workspace directly into the new Antigravity platform, keeping your exact settings and data intact. We will achieve this by setting up a dual-wielding workflow. This means using two separate applications to handle your standard local coding and your automated DevOps execution. By the end of this setup, you will be able to hand off a local project to an autonomous agent and watch it deploy your code to a live web host in minutes. We are moving past writing individual lines of text. You are stepping up to manage an entire AI development team. First, head over to the official Antigravity download portal. You will need to download both the Antigravity IDE and the Antigravity 2.0 desktop application. These two apps serve completely different purposes. The IDE is your execution space for typing and editing files, while the 2.0 app is your overarching project architect for delegating massive tasks. During installation, pay close attention to the setup prompts. You must explicitly select Keep Antigravity IDE alongside 2.0 to protect your coding configurations. Look at this side-by-side comparison to tell them apart on your taskbar. The IDE uses a black grid background, marking your execution mode. The 2.0 app sits on a clean white background, marking your architect mode. Separating these environments keeps your workspace fast. Heavy background agent tasks happen over in the 2.0 app, ensuring your text editor never lacks. Open the new Antigravity IDE. It will immediately prompt you to import your existing VS Code themes, settings, and key bindings. Accept that prompt. Because this platform is built on a direct fork of VS Code, your restored interface will look and operate exactly like your old setup. This diagram illustrates how your tools are sourced. Instead of a restricted marketplace, you will install your essential web extensions directly from the open-source OpenVSX registry. For proprietary tools missing from that registry, you will use VSX sideloading. Download the file manually, bypassing the registry. Inside the IDE's extension sidebar, click the three dots at the top right and select Install from VSX to load it. By pulling from the open registry and sideloading the rest, you retain your entire toolset. Zero critical extensions are lost in this migration. Next, go into your extensions and completely disable or uninstall your legacy AI plugins, specifically Gemini Code Assist and Codex. You do not need them anymore. Look at your side panel. You now have a native Agent Manager surface built directly into the IDE. This is the agentic core. The AI now operates at the system level with full access to your file system, rather than sitting isolated inside a chat window. Because this deep integration relies on powerful models like Gemini 3.5 Flash, it consumes your computational quotas much faster than traditional text generation. Watch your Antigravity Pro quota usage metrics closely over your first 2 weeks. Make sure you are not hitting limits before you cancel any external AI subscriptions. Trading a basic chat plugin for a system-level agent gives you massive capability gains, provided you strictly manage those computing resources. Let's put that capability to work. Open the separate Antigravity 2.0 app to handle the final deployment phase of our local project. In the command bar, issue a single natural language request. Tell the agent to deploy your local web project to a cloud hosting provider. Behind the scenes, the orchestrator agent breaks down your request. It spins up parallel subnodes to write build scripts and configure complex environment variables simultaneously. They merge their output toward the live host without a single manual terminal command. Once the background task finishes, the agent delivers a clickable, live URL right back into your chat interface. Click that generated link. You now have a fully functional, globally hosted web project running live in your standard browser. By adopting this dual app workflow, you upgrade your entire output. A solo coder effectively becomes a full-stack architect, backed by a dedicated, automated DevOps team.